So I'm sure you guys are wondering what's got me so excited, but today the package finally arrived. I ordered the Mina Gallery full intake for the XJR. Had a little bit of trouble getting it to me, which seems like it does happen sometimes, and seems like they're going through some stuff at the moment, but it is finally here. This is not a drill, and I figured it would make sense to do an unboxing so you guys can see what it is we got. So without further ado, check it out. All right, let's see what we got. Looks like we got everything. So, looks like we got some instructions here on how to install the kit. And I should specify, I got the combination kit that is both the air intake tube and the filter assembly, so it does the whole intake. You can buy them separately if you just want one part, but I obviously wanted the full intake for mine. So just make sure that when you're buying it, you do get the kit and not just the tube. It is on their website, so and if you have any questions, you can always give them a call as well. Einstein wants to say hi. You can say hello. Oh, hi. So I think this is the breather tube that goes from the intake into the valve cover. If I had to guess, I believe this replaces the factory kind of plastic bendy one. And we got this nice big cone style filter. Hopefully that picks up some flow compared to the one that's already in there. From what their website says, they did some research and figured out all the perfect size tubes and components to be as efficient as possible, so that's cool. All right, so we've got a one of those silicone coupler pieces. I'm guessing perhaps this one might go between the intake tube and the mass air. A couple of big hose clamps. Very cool. Look to be decent quality. I've had bad experience with cheap hose clamps in the past, but those seem to be nice. Got ourselves another silicone connector piece here as well. So this would go from the intake, or sorry, the throttle body onto the intake tube. This is actually the cold air shield or baffle, whatever it's called. So that goes in place of the air box. This would be the hardware, I'm guessing, to bolt that in place. Here we have the intake tube itself. It is pretty well packed, but let's see if we can get this thing uncovered here. It does have a polished aluminum finish, which is pretty nice. And then that looks like the welded on bung for where that breather goes. Get this thing packed back up. Don't want to scratch it before it even comes close to the car. Then we have this fancy R Performance badge. So it's the Pirate Edition. R Performance. Now, this is kind of neat. So I did end up talking with Mina Gallery a couple times because I was experiencing a bit of a delay with my shipment. And it looks like they maybe threw me a couple of little extras as I'm guessing a thank you for my patience. So got some Mina Gallery logo valve caps. one of their emblem keychains. And this is something that I did actually order. This is the grill emblem. I've always liked that some of the older British cars would put emblems in the grill for different like events or, you know, like packages that the vehicle has or something like that. So I decided that I'd give it a shot and see about putting one of these in the grill and see how it looks. And that is the last thing in the box. All right, so all in all, I am pretty happy with the quality of the parts. Looks like it's a well put together kit. To give you a bit more information about it, so the package that I ordered was package 1A. So if you're an X308 XJR owner, that would be the package to get that has the air intake tube and also like the filter side as well. Again, you can buy those separately if you just want either the cone filter and the box, or if you just want the tube, you can do that too. But I decided to just get the whole thing because it seemed like a better deal, and why go halfway, right? So the whole kit cost me $260. I did pay an extra $12 for that grill emblem just because I like the way it looks, and I think it's going to be a nice addition to the car as well. The extra freebies that they threw in from looking at their website, that was actually worth about, I think, $36. So that was a nice gesture on their part as well. I always appreciate it when a company, works to try and make something right when they know someone's kind of having a bit of an issue. On the note of the issue, I did order the kit on about April 17th, and we're here on May 25th. So, roughly about 4 or 5 weeks to get it. Normally that is not their lead time, but apparently in the last month or so here, USPS just lost a slew of their packages, mine included. So when I spoke to Chris, I believe, at Mina Gallery, he was very quick to make it right, put it in a new box for me, a new kit, shipped out via FedEx, and it showed up in just a few days. So he did follow through as soon as he knew that there was an issue. So yeah, that being said, if you do have a delay in shipping, just give them a call, work with them. They are there to help you. So that being said, I would say, again, very happy with the overall experience, and looking forward to getting it on the car. So do look out for a video in the near future. I do plan on doing an install video as well as sort of a before and after comparison, so we can look at things like the performance and also, in my opinion, most importantly, the sound. That was one of the big reasons that I got the intake. So look out for that to come out hopefully in the next couple months here. We'll get that installed and walk you through how the install process goes and what the ups and downs of the whole thing are. So thank you so much, as always. We really appreciate you supporting our videos. And if you haven't checked it out yet, you should check us out on Patreon. We do appreciate any support on there, and we do release extra content on there as well. So, consider becoming a patron. Every little bit helps, and we do appreciate anyone that joins. And also, we love it when you leave us comments in the comments below as well. We always try and answer those. So, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to our channel. Got more Jag content coming your way. And I think that's about it for now, so we'll catch you on the next one.